This is called the Miracle.
Until 2016, this was the original 8th hole on the Sea Palms West 9 that opened in 1967. But in 2019, it became the Miracle, one of the most amazing practice facilities in all the United States, with multiple bunkers of different depths and greens with lots of elevation change and humps and bumps that you can learn to practice on. But it's a place for families and friends to hang out while they're learning to play the game of golf and enjoy being outside here at this amazing place.
The Miracle is a very special place. It was designed by Tag King and Rob Collins in 2019. There was a lot of thoughtful and technical aspects to the design. You can pull any short game club out, practice your short game. You can work on any kind of shot from any different lie. You can hit shots over water. Lots of different scenarios you can use out here. Kashmir Keith Mitchell even called it a world top 5 practice facility. It's a very special place. I encourage all of our members to come out and give it a try. If you haven't before, come check it out.